First of all, I feel that the man that left the table a couple of minutes ago has a reason to be really sad and disappointed, because he did a fantastic work, his team did a fantastic work, his team deserved extra time, and to lose minute 87 with very little time to try to react like they did in the first half, I think is a bit unfair for them. So I want to have these words to Claude and to Southampton players and Southampton fans, because they gave us a beautiful final for the neutral, beautiful football match. So I want to have this word for them.